Hi, welcome to Engineering Graphics. For the first day of class, what I would like for you to do is figure out where SolidWorks is accessible. You'll have the option to download SolidWorks. If you click on the link under the announcements, you'll notice that it'll take you to this page. You can scroll down where it says Solutions for Education, and you want to go to SolidWorks for Students. You'll have to create your account, but you'll notice that you have access to standard SolidWorks. And then if you want the premium, you can pay the $60. This is one option. The other option is for you to if you go to your Get Started page, you'll notice there's a section where you can access the course technology. So if you go to course technology, you can scroll down and you have access to laboratories. This is the laboratory in Brownsville, and then this is the laboratory in Edinburgh. You can also click on connecting to a virtual lab. In order to do that, you have to download the VPN. So if you're off campus, you have to connect to the VPN. So you can click on the first link right here, and it'll walk you through connecting through VPN. You'll have to download Global Protect. And once you do that, it's this icon that you have right here. And then you connect using, I'll show you how to do that. So here's my Global Protect icon. On the portal, you're gonna copy connect.utrgv and then paste it here and click connect. Then you have to type in your credentials, and once you type in your credentials, you'll be connected to the VPN. After you've done that, you go back to this page, and then you should be able to access the virtual lab here. And you can choose whether you want to do it through HTML or if you want to download the Horizon client. It doesn't quite matter. What will happen is it'll take up over your screen, and then you'll have access to different engineering software that is available to you, including SolidWorks. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. My information is available to you in the Get Started page. Hopefully you'll have fun in this class.